going to learn a new term, that is segment of a circle. So let us understand what a segment of a circle is. For that we have a circle with center O, and let us draw a chord AB. Now let us have the definition for segment of a circle. It says the part of a circular region enclosed by a chord and its corresponding arc is called as a segment of a circle. If you clearly observe the shaded region, it is enclosed by two things. First, the chord AB and its corresponding minor arc AB. Such a portion is called as a segment of a circle. Now students, let us understand how to find the area of a segment. For that, we draw the two radii OA and OB denoted by R. If you clearly observe, the segment is a part of a sector whose central angle is theta. So we have area of the segment is equal to area of the sector, and from this sector let us remove the area of the triangle. That means we are going to subtract the area of triangle. So the formula to find the area of the segment is equal to area of sector minus area of the triangle. Now students, observe this segment, that is the major segment. How do we find its area? Yes, it is very simple. The area of the major segment is equal to area of the entire circle minus the area of minor segment. Students, these two formulae are very important. Now let us understand the sum based on these two formulae. It says a chord of a circle has a radius 10 centimeters. So we write that the radius of this circle with a center O is equal to 10 centimeters. Further, it subtends a right angle at the center. That means the value of theta is mentioned already, which is equal to 90 degrees. Students, we are supposed to find the area of corresponding minor segment. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of minor segment? Yes, it is area of the sector, that is sector O dash AXB minus area of triangle OAB. Students, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of the sector? Yes, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we write the area of sector O dash AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the values. So area of the sector is equal to 90 upon 360 into pi, that is mentioned as 3.14 into r square, which is 10 into 10. On further simplifications, we have 90 into 1 as 90 and 90 into 4 times as 360. Further, we have 4 into 1 as 4 and 4 into 2.5 times as 10. This gives us the area of the sector as 78.5 centimeter square. Now students, we have found the area of sector. Let us concentrate on finding the area of triangle. And tell me the formula. Yes, it is half into base into height. So we have area of the triangle AOB is equal to half into, that is the base, which is OA, into its corresponding height, which is OB. Further, area of the triangle is equal to half into the values of OA and OB are 10 each. Further, 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. This is equal to 50 centimeter square. Now students, we have calculated the area of sector as well as the area of the triangle. So now we can find the area of minor segment, which is equal to area of the sector O dash AXB minus area of triangle OAB or AOB. On substituting the values, we have area of minor segment is equal to 78.5 minus the area of triangle, which is 50. The difference between the two terms gives us the answer as 28.5 centimeter square. So the area of the minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. Now students, we are also supposed to calculate the area of the corresponding major segment. And the formula is area of circle minus area of the minor segment that we have already found. Now, students, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a circle? Yes, it is pi r square. So we have area of the circle is equal to, the value of pi is 3.14 into r square, that is 10 into 10. So area of the circle is equal to 314 centimeters square. And we have already got the area of the minor segment. So now we get the area of the major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. This is equal to 314 minus area of the minor segment, that was found to be 28.5. The difference between the two terms gives the answer as 285.5 centimeters square. So we write the area of the major segment is 285.5 centimeter square. Thank you.